Living a life of purpose, choosing to be happy, counting my blessings, chasing sunrise and sunsets, finding the beauty that lies beneath every rough surface and reclaiming what's rightfully mine. I yearned for this trip, to let loose the things that were holding me hostage, to embark on a pilgrimage with friends and to find release. Jamaica provided that and far more, a connection deeply rooted in history and positive vibrations, allowing myself to truly live and find gratitude in the smallest things, to be one with nature, and to explore connections of the humankind. This journey was beautiful. It was real and authentic. Stay with me as I take you on a video journal of my 30th birthday in Jamaica.
Traveling on the new highway in Jamaica. We're now in Clarendon, and that's from Cromer to Clarendon in 20 minutes. Not even. That is quick. Somebody roasting breadfruit. Welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. I'm Melissa, and I'm so happy that you are here today. On this video, we're going to be taking you to Jamaica, where I spent my 30th birthday with friends and family, just having authentic, good, clean Caribbean fun. So on this trip to Jamaica, guys, it was about living your purpose. It was about being happy. It was about journeying and just having a great time, immersing myself in culture and loving on my husband. You know, he was loving on me. Full of vibes. It was what I needed, guys. It was beautiful. The vibes was right. We just had great energy and great synergy, and I got to spend time with the people that really mattered. Now, there are other people that matter, but for my 30th birthday, I really wanted to have a great time in Jamaica. And so, guys, this trip was everything plus more. I want you to see it. I need you to experience it. And so it's 3 years old, but you're going to experience it with us. And so I want to take you guys with me on this journey, and I'm going to dissect it piece by piece. I'm going to be popping in to let you know where we are in Jamaica. You know, what are some of the things that we're seeing? What are some of the things that we're doing? Just so you guys can, you know, have fun with me as well. So come with us as we go to Jamaica. Let's go. Okay guys, so our first stop on the journey is St. Elizabeth. We went to Jake's on Treasure Beach, and it was just such a good vibe. The music was playing, there were people hanging out, and we had roast fish, fried fish, you name it. We just had to have some snapper. When you're in Jamaica, you need to be eating snapper. Okay, say hi.
Hi everyone, we're
Tell them where we're at.
Jake's in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, with my beautiful niece and her husband.
Yay! We're gonna jump in the water soon. Then we're gonna have some delicious lunch.
Then after that we stop in Round Hill at my friend's house
To eat some mango.
and sweet sauce and melon.
And star apple.
Yes. Sorry you're not here to enjoy.
We have a hammock over there. I want to go for a ride. Let's go try the other one. My hammock.
Michelle. Nah, very not virgin.
I never remember the name.
A pina colada whore.
More?
Anti-virgin. A pina colada is a prostitute.
Say hi, Taylor. I got on boxers and a marina because I didn't bring my swimsuit after I said I was. Horrible. The water, we weren't prepared for it, but we just had to get wet. It was about a 2-hour drive from Portmore, which we were staying by my aunt. So come with us. Switching sides on the highway of Jamaica.
Don't get hit enough. Even though you got bumper. On to the second half of the trip, the party celebration done, everybody gone back. Now we about to head into Kingston and do it up locally. You see? I'm waiting for this girl to come outside right here now. She feel like she gotta make the mother's pater to come look for me till she was alright.
Oh my gosh. I just had to take a quick drink. I hope you're enjoying this Jamaica trip so far. So next, we're headed to Portland. It's my favorite parish on the island. And it's so because my family have some roots in Portland, of course. My family's from St. Thomas and Portland.
So where we at now, Ben? Yalas. Yalas Bay.
This chicken soup is so good. We had fish soup though. That's
Yeah,
real good.
last time I know eat chicken.
Chicken foot soup. You ever see chicken foot?
Look at this. The whole foot. Then I put everything in the soup. Me? Just I'm sipping on my Red Bull and Magnum. See it there? Red Bull and Magnum.
And so you know exactly why I love this parish. It is beautiful, it is tranquil, it is lush. You'll see in the next footage just exactly what I'm talking about. You'll see that we stayed at the Frenchman's Cove. They drive through this gate, like at the Frenchman's Cove beach. Because there's a public beach too, right? It's not the public beach. Oh, it's not. Up to the gate and pay to come. So that party they have. And we were able to, enjoy the beautiful beach. We also went rafting on the Blue Lagoon, which was just simply amazing. Check it out.
This right here is so beautiful. The scenery right here. Yeah, I would romance you right here, believe me. Huh? I romance you right here in the sun.
So we're about to drive into the town. It's a much sunnier day today. You're good on this side, Ben? Because last night we went into the town, it was like 9 o'clock. So honestly, we really didn't see anything. So now, before leaving and going to the beach, we just want to take a quick look and see, what everything's like. Maybe we'll go by Blue Lagoon really quickly, or I guess we could do that on the way out, just to see what it's like. That's what's over here? Got it. Oh, some more people going on the boat. Okay, babe. You're gonna jump? You got splashed? Sorry. You made it, babe. That's scary. I would love to do it, but it looks deep. You know you're jumping off a thing.
Why Jamaica? Jamaica is where I was born. It was almost a necessary rite of passage to go back to Jamaica at the age of 30, and I wanted to bring a lot of people with me, and I got to do that, guys. I got to take some of my closest friends and family to Jamaica so they can experience the culture that pretty much raised me, right? And so we were able to do that in true Jamaican fashion. It was fun. It was heartwarming. The food was good. The vibes was good. Everything was good.
Really? Wow. Yeah. Boy, this was Truan's, babe. Hey! Remember we were going around Portland, just driving around and play the song then? A minute there, la pass me. If you could just admit a minute there, when it's like a cost me. Babes, this was Truan. A minute there. Morning. Nobody with the rum so early. Nobody with the rum so early. They're the car wash, and this man must have to find the liquor store, the bar, so early. Why? Why so early?
You want a red stripe or?
Why so early?
Jamaica, the sun hot. You want a red stripe or? Do you want to do you though? You want a red stripe or one?
Thank you. Hey guys. Okay, so you guys saw how beautiful Portland was, and now we are going to turn it up a notch. You thought we were gonna leave Jamaica without turning up? You thought wrong. Not a little bit. I think a whole lot. Okay, are you ready for this? The party is about to get ready, set, and go. We're heading to Ocho Rios. Stay tuned for the turn up, guys. We're here, people. Jamaica.
I know everybody I go like we.
Drink. Yeah.
Now dance up style. I know everybody I go like.
We in Jamaica.
Cause me no love lies. No, so every time I rise, me do it for the love and I do it for the lights. Make them know success don't come overnight. I'm make them know substance overnight. Do it for the love and I do it for the lights.
Do you know Melt Island Escape? Jamaica 2016. You know? That's how we do it.
See them on social media type. While I say them they a studio advice. Oh me never bought them up.
You surprised, babe?
Never see them a living a tour life. You miss a man now you have so much likes. I'm always still a lead.
Turn up is here, guys. So we're in Ocho Rios. We're ready to party. I got my friends, I got my family, I got my husband by my side. And guys, it is about to be lit.
Never tell you fi bust and shot and quench them. Instead me tell them sell the gun and buy a yen yen. Cause we do it for the love, we not do it for the likes.
I got you.
On to them. Them not like we but we not respond. Fly out and make them never run my
Thank you, Melissa. Oh my God.
Wicked in. Turn up!
So we're here at the villa.
That's right, that's right. This place looking nice. That's right.
This is our home for the next few days. How you doing, hubby?
I'm good, baby. How are you?
So this is our home.
It's even better in person, baby.
But more all of the people them where they talk off them face. The one that over there, so the one where I walk away.
The one where I walk, come please, back up.
All right, we're gonna go look at the rooms.
Where we going at?
We have to go from inside.
All day long.
Oh, Coast, come on. Down. Hey guys.
Can I see him going there by himself? And you make so much noise.
We're going to see Shireen and Nakisha's private cottage.
Oh, Lord. Oh, they got back. Go to
Don't
the
worry,
thing,
I'm
smart.
crazy all day, all day.
We know you will be. This is nice.
Sheree, we turning up over here, boo.
Wow.
They got kissing everywhere.
Wow. You guys got your own stuff?
Oh, so it's silent time.
Oh, and they got outside shower too.
Oh, this is nice.
Camera set up.
Wow.
We turning up over here, boo. This where the party at. We lit over here.
This is nice. And look at the little gift on the bed. I don't like how y'all not recognizing my gifts.
Oh, the outside.
There's an out, yeah? Can I take a bath out here?
Yeah. Wow.
I just want to borrow it one time.
Can we just use it one time?
Just one time, Shereen. One time.
We have to
I
charge
want to
you.
borrow it.
We have to charge you. I'm sorry, but we're gonna charge you.
When you
Okay?
sleep, just come.
Morning. Everybody just finished having breakfast, just chilling. Everybody getting a quick boat ride. Come right to Keisha. Oh God, I hope we going out there in the ocean. We need breakfast. We're just going to Jamaica, Grand and Margarita. Come back.
Yo, make sure to me reach and me are going up. Miami.
Miami,
Miami are going up.
in the house. Bye, Angela. Pray for us. This is a nice house. Life in JA. Hello. Our beautiful villa. So gorgeous.
Come over there now, what? That's that.
Walking through to the falls.
Hear me now, hear me now, hear me now, hear me now.
All the people in back. When the don't drop. Who's that behind me? Hey y'all. I need to watch a mega before I drop.
the best mango in life. It's called an East Indian mango. The best. So the table is set for dinner. How pretty.
Are they bringing out new towels? They bringing out new towels?
Everybody at the bus, up to SPF.
Yeah?
Say them got the moon, they will day. Them talk about me like every day, but talk about them like not one day. Cause everybody just a follow me. Yo, me can't be one on who that day. Me have to get up like every day. My 3 pints never so easy. Now me feel me need a key for the city. One of the gen of them know who that fit me. Kylie, you could sick me. One time I never too care, but I'm picking. Nobody got me feeling things because I know feel. They never tell you no feel trouble when no trouble you. Somebody couldn't tell you.
Good morning. So this is our 3rd day in Jamaica, and we had a bonfire midnight party last night. In the meantime, I'm gonna have some bun and cheese and my coffee until everyone decides to come up and we have brunch together. Up for a boat cruise that we have at 12. It is now 10 and everyone's still sleeping and I'm tired. Beautiful morning. Oh, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Looking like Cinderella.
African Cinderella.
That's right. With melanin. A whole bunch.
Chocolate Cinderella.
Morning. Thank you, Angela.
Talking with the food?
All right, we're all getting ready to leave.
She said, you are wicked. Me, I got charge you.
You can. Yo, I may have to go put this same hotel. Which hotel?
Jasmine Hill. Villa.
I'm gonna look tired. With a 5-hour energy then.
Yeah, my journeys in life, you're like the road. Destination is like my goal. Yeah, I'm trying till I reach my destination. Flowing like the birds and the...
Driving through First Gully. Oh, it's not as dark. Oh, it's just a confused. Look at all the fern up top. See, it is clearing out. You're right. This is Fern Gully, guys. Go close. Oh, walk with me. Come on, Ben. Here goes the statues. Get some jerk chicken. I love you, darling.
Girl, them fi try take time and sit down pan body. Girl, you fi sit down pan body. Grab a chair and sit down. Watch this blood clot, yeah. Girl, you fi sit down pan body. Squeeze me throat and sit down pan body. Suck out me nipple and sit down pan body. Chatty lippy. Roll off up my funny, make up your face. You look ugly like mommy. Sit down pan body. Now when you balance like an acrobat, drop it like an earthquake, jiggle like the aftershock. Action we say, we don't talk a lot, no bag of chat. Serious like a heart attack. Hey, Buddha see them, get what Buddha see them. Buddha see them, get what Buddha see them. So walk out with your brain. Jump around and jump around. Tell her don't be that. Ba. And she a chatting, but she really can't. Ba.
They beside them, some girl a hype on me, say man a hide them. No pride, girl, they not man no ride them. Sure, me too rich for.
In the house. We know it's crap over right now when about Barbados, right? Yeah. There we go. Ladies, wind up yourself and them and them teeth are wine off our girl. All the lot of teeth on liquor. Ready up? I see ball.
So me tell her if she fall in love in a short space of time we belong. And if I be son in a Jamaica, she love me the like if she can give me one. Me need there, no pass me. If you could just give me that minute there, wait I go cast me. If you could just give me that minute there, just a minute.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video today on my journey, my 30th birthday in Jamaica. Thank you for being here, for staying to the end. We appreciate you so much. Please like this video by giving us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part of the video? And even say happy birthday, because this video is actually out on my birthday. So say happy birthday, show us some love, share the video, like the video, and very important, please subscribe. Thank you guys for being here, and we'll see you for the next one.